So budget like a pro, just type in the year, move on to your zero-based budgeting second page, and you just type in different forms of income, expenses, and savings. All these light blue or all these light boxes, you might have a different color scheme, but all these light boxes are where you input your information. I'm just going to put another saving. Put $20, $200. Let's go 200. Recurring, and then you see it auto populates this month. Say I don't expect that much, I could just change it real quick. So I change that to 150. Then you can go on to your second or your next page, posting. That's where you post the actuals of what any transaction you go throughout the year, and you can go on this and you can see everything, including what I just typed in, savings. It all just pops up right there, and that's because I put some formulas in here to get it nice and transfer the information for you very easily. I'm just going to put savings, and I'm going to put 200, and you can see that's in January. So just go here, this monthly review, January, and you can see right here, savings 150, actual 200, so difference 50, and it just imported all this information from the other pages, from the other two pages, and you can change your month very easily. You go here, the year is just going to give you the full overview. You don't need to click on anything in this page. It's all just for review. And then Power Dashboard is you could go month to month. So if you wanted January versus March, you could do that and just look at your numbers for income, expenses, and savings. Very easy. Thanks for watching.